Bullish Bitcoin money, BCH, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1,089.74 and $2,058.40 by 2030. Market investigators accept BCH could reach $847.58 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $193.73. Bitcoin money, BCH, presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was enlivened by misery with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The making of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a furious question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start yet has encountered unrest from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more helpful cash, lovers of digital currencies much of the time put resources into it. The coin's cost has the run-of-the-mill market unpredictability, however many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? In spite of the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital currency split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and cryptographic forms of money overall advancing, but BCH's forking was essentially roused by Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion and size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 MB and 32 MB in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are regularly somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. Following that $3,000 plus top, the cost of Bitcoin money tumbled to a low of $77 per BCH, and toward the finish of 2020, it had imperceptibly bounced back to reach generally $350. Bitcoin money is presently worth $242.16 United States dollars. BCH has moved 0.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $376,205,925. Bitcoin money is presently positioned 17 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $4,432,440,615 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money, BCH, to conclude we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Bitcoin money, BCH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023 Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, BCH. The BCH cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $363.25. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $339.03 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $290.60. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $605.41. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the BCH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $484.33 and a typical exchanging cost of $532.76. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $847.58 and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $774.93 and a low of $726.49 in 2025. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1,089.74, with a base cost of $968.66 and a typical cost of $1,017.09. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1,259.26 by 2027, with a base cost of $1,210.82 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $1,331.91. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1,501.42. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1,574.07. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1,452.99. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1,695.15 and a yearly cost close above $1,816.24 in 2029. Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at long last outperform its past values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1,900